Cheesy, smoky, crispy. The crack burger, that's where it's at. This is one of the few trends I can get behind. Now, the patty itself has cheddar cheese, bacon, sour cream, and ranch seasoning. I know it sounds crazy, but this is so good. You get the point. You need this burger bad, and so do I. So I'm gonna eat this, go watch the recipe. All right, let's start off by getting some bacon on the griddle. I've got my griddle on low, despite the sizzle. I only need a half cup of bacon, but I might as well cook a little extra. If you don't have a griddle, you can make them in the oven. Just cook them however you want to. It's just that we need to chop them up so you can put them in the burger. All right, I'm gonna get the bacon off, and then we'll go ahead and toast the buns right in this grease. I've got some good brioche buns. It's my favorite for burgers. So we'll get these toasted briefly. All right, let's check these. Oh, that's looking good. All right, buns are ready. Let's go inside. So while the bacon cools off, let's make a quick burger sauce. These flavors go really well together with the whole bacon cheddar ranch thing. So we've got 1 part mayo, 1 part sour cream, and then 1 part barbecue sauce. I'm using the HNY FYR barbecue sauce by Fire. And then I like to kick this up just a little bit with some black pepper, because I think black pepper and bacon and burgers just really go well together. So we'll just stir this up. Like I said, this is a super simple way to make like a dipping sauce or burger sauce. 1 part sour cream, mayo, and barbecue sauce. All right, let's go ahead, chop up the bacon into bits. Don't judge my knife skills too hard. All right, that's pretty good. All right, so let's mix the burgers. This is what makes them the crack burgers, by using the bacon cheddar ranch. So we're gonna use a cup of cheddar and sprinkle this in here. And I know this sounds crazy, but we're gonna be, of course, mixing the bacon in. I guess that doesn't sound too crazy. 2 tablespoons of ranch powder seasoning, 3 tablespoons of sour cream. And this is kind of where it gets a little weird, but trust me, this works. I'm gonna go ahead and mix this in together. Definitely use gloves for this, because your hands are gonna get all kinds of messy. There we go. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and break this into 3 burgers. So just remember, we used 1 pound of meat here, and when you add in the bacon, it's gonna be more than 1/3 of a pound, of course, per patty. So hope you guys are hungry. That's all I can really say. So these are gonna be some pretty monster burgers. So I'm gonna just do some single patties. I'm gonna eyeball it here. I'm not perfect with measuring, but that's not a big deal, because I'm hungry. These patties are pretty sticky with that sour cream and the cheese and the bacon, so they're actually really easy to form. All right, there we go. I'm gonna use canyon crust to season the outside. Give this a nice little dusting on each side. I am excited. All right, let's get these fired up on the griddle. That is a beast. Get them down here. These are gonna have such an epic crust. All right, let's go ahead and flip this guy. Oh, look at that crust. Nice. Dang, look at those layers. This looks so good. All right, I turned the temp down just a little bit, and then I'm gonna top this with some slices of cheddar, because, burgers need more cheese. All right, these burgers are ready to come off, so let's pull them in. All right, let's put some of that burger sauce on. Then we'll add some pickles. These are my homemade ones. Toss this crispy boy down. I'm gonna add some thinly sliced onions, and then the bun with more of that burger sauce. Oh yeah. Let's finish making all 3. Oh man, those look good. Oh my gosh, look at that. What's really unique about this burger is the texture. It's got this crispy cheese skirt on the bottom, and knowing that there's that plus the crispy bacon inside, this burger is gonna be really freaking good. All right, I can't wait to take a bite, especially this one, because I think that this one out of the 3 had the best cheese skirt. Ah, the beard. It's so good, what's not to love? What surprises me the most is that the ranch seasoning actually comes through and makes the burger better. This is a really fun burger to make, and dang is it good. Check out the full recipe in the description below. Don't forget, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Cheers.